Sometimes, the most meaningful treasures are hidden where no one wants to look. Discarded, forgotten, yet still carrying a story. Restoration begins with patience. Healing the past requires steady hands.
Hidden beneath the darkness, brilliance waits.
True beauty lives in the smallest details. Restored, reborn, respected once more. A place of honor replaces a place of abandonment. Every object deserves a second chance, when someone believes in it. Every object deserves a second chance, when someone believes in it.